Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pastor Skill. There is a calculator in Photoshop. That is why I'm here to show you where you can find that calculator. Let me show you where you can find the calculator. It's simple and easy. Let's start by creating a new document. To create a new document, you go to new document button here. This is the new document dialog box. Now let me show you where you can find the calculator. On the left side of the new document dialog box, the input box with value, any input box with number like this, the width input box, the height input box, and the resolution input box, any input box in Photoshop like this that allows you to enter values or numbers inside that box serves as a calculator. You can perform mathematical operations in that box. You can do multiplication, 6 multiplied by 2, or 6 divided by 2, or 6 minus 2. Any input box that accepts numbers is where the calculator is hidden. In Photoshop, we have two types of input box. We have input box that accept words like this one. This input box, we use such input box to do renaming, and any input box that accepts value, that is where you can do the calculation. Trust me, you can open your software and check it out. So let's do the calculation. This is how the calculator works. You know, Photoshop doesn't come with feet measuring units. The first example that I want to show you is using the calculator to do conversion. Using the calculator to convert one measuring unit to another. Now we are going to convert feet measuring unit to inches. Let me show you how. Let's say you are about to design a banner or a billboard, but your measurement is in feet. Let's say 5 feet width by 4 feet height. When you check the measuring unit here, you can see that Photoshop doesn't have feet. The software only comes with pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, point, and picas. So we can't use the feet unless we convert it to any of this measuring unit. Now let's select inches. To use the calculator to do the conversion, any figure in feet that you want to convert to inches, you have to multiply that figure by 12. Now let's use 5 by 4 feet for this example. To start the conversion, type the formula here, 5 times 12. This is the equation. So after typing the equation, you don't need to press enter. All you have to do is select the height input box. The software will automatically provide the answer after clicking any input box. Now let's type 4 multiplied by 12. Then you click any of the inputs box. Now we have 48 by 60. We've done with a conversion from feet to inches, and this is not the only way you can use the calculator. And this example is for doing conversion. Let me show you another example. When you go to the print preset, you can see that Photoshop doesn't have A2 size, and technically 2A3 size will give you A2. Let me show you how you can use the calculator to get A2 size. Before you can use the calculator to get A2 size, you have to select the A3 size. Click the width, you multiply it by 2. You click the height, you multiply it by 2. Now we have A2 size. You can click create to create your A2 document. Thanks for watching. I know you've learned a lot from this tutorial, and you will start using the calculator in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share the video with friends, and check out my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.